Today I got an old hedge trimmer. I'm going to tear it apart and see if we can recover any valuable metals. Here's everything we recovered from the hedge trimmer. The housing was aluminum, so that's a plus. Got a little bit of copper. Got the copper left on the armature. We had to burn that off to get that out of there. Got a little bit of insulated wire. And the rest is steel. I'd estimate the value on that's about $3 on account of it had aluminum housing. Most of the new ones are plastic. Wouldn't be as much. So I would think this would be worth tearing apart. It only took about 5 minutes to tear it apart, so it didn't take a lot of time. Not a big profit, but a small amount of time invested. Thanks for following along. We'll see you guys in the next one.